Hi, my name is Pearl and I run the Dog Wellness Centre in Melbourne, Australia, which is a canine physiotherapy and rehab practice. We see lots of really interesting cases every day coming through our doors, so I've created this YouTube channel to show you some of those interesting stories and also to offer some helpful tips that you can use at home with your dogs if they're undergoing rehab for a particular condition or just struggling with aches and pains. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you wish to see some more.